You're gonna love the 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle still has fewer than 110,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Traverse delivers all-weather capability, sleek styling, a spacious and quiet interior, ample cargo storage, and technology that keeps you safe and connected wherever your adventures may take you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, remote engine start, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, third row seat, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows. Feel confident wherever the road may lead when you're behind the wheel of the Traverse.